everybody, welcome to Fashion Friday. I am fully aware that I'm wearing the same shirt that I was wearing 2 videos ago. You're gonna have to get over it. It's a great shirt. So I have 2 fittings today. I had one this morning, and I kind of want to take you along with me into a somewhat normal week. It's never the same, but I've got 2 fittings tonight for a band, and then I have a photo shoot tomorrow. Then I have a fitting after the photo shoot, and then I have a music video the next day. So I kind of want to, first of all, I want to show you my office because I feel like I haven't shown you guys my office. And then I also want to kind of walk you through what a normal fitting is going to be like, and then take you along the day of the shoot. It's going to be great. I'm really excited. And I wanted to show you this dress that's going to be behind me. Don't know if you can see this or not. Let me turn the camera around. So this needs to be steamed, but this just got here, and this is the dress option. This is my first option for the Dani Jack music video, but we'll see which one she ends up going with. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that I had other options brought in. So I'm gonna run a brush through my hair. It's never really about me at these fittings though, so it doesn't really matter if I look good or not. It matters if I'm clothed and ready to go. So I'm gonna take you with me to the office. I'm gonna show you. I'm really excited to show you and give you a little tour, and then we'll go from there. This might be a 2-parter.
Ooh, this is fancy right here, dude.
Oh, I like that one. Well, I think we're all gonna shoot in that one.
So I didn't film as much of the fitting as I wanted to because honestly we were having just way too much fun, so all you got's that Instagram video. Sorry. Hopefully I can get you a better look at my office soon. So I'm on my way to the studio here in a few minutes. Gotta lock up Bo and Arrow into their studio apartment, which is just me putting them in the kitchen so they don't escape and destroy things. So I'm gonna go to the studio today. We're doing 4 looks each, so we're doing roughly about 16, maybe 20 if we have time, looks. And I think I added up, and by the end of this week, it will have been like 40 looks that I will have created, which is fine. It's really cool. I'm excited. We're gonna shoot at the studio I like shooting in today and tomorrow, actually. And come along, come hang out.
I used to. Now I'm kind of like
Whatever.
Now it's like I like playing dress up. Hey.
I'm told. Yeah. So just put your hand. We just slowly breathe out on 3, ready? 3, 2, 1. Actually, look at that horse. That face one for me. Far right of me. I'm Will. Will, no, I know, sorry. That's all good. I saw a pause. Kind of cheek. I'm just trying to figure out where I went. Will, cheek out. Cheek out. Cheek. So feed this up a little bit, and then we're gonna cheek like this. You're gonna shoot. We can make it work. Down where you were 100, but for instance, for the moment.
Okay, wow, this is some hair. So about an hour and a half ago, we wrapped the Born Crooked shoot, and then I got home, did a quick wardrobe change, put on some more comfy shoes. I am about to go get gas and then go to a fitting tonight. So that's fitting last night, photo shoot today where we did, I think 12 looks. It was 12, I think. And then going to fit Dani Jack tonight for our music video tomorrow. And it's her and I think 8 other girls. So I need a few more pieces for the girls for tomorrow, but I think she's set as far as her outfit goes. My nails are chipped, my hair's a mess, and I'm having a blast. So I'm actually gonna be able to show you my office too, so this is gonna be great. I'm so excited. All right, so we just had Dani's fitting, and I don't wanna give anything away. It's kind of a mess right now, and I'm packing up stuff from today's shoots, and there's stuff all over my desk. But here's my office. Here's me. And this is my Johnny Cash bathroom. It was like that when I moved in. And board full of stuff I'm working on. My calendar's over there because I have to redo it. And then my Frankie Valli autograph. Some of my favorites. There's Alicia hanging out with Bon Jovi. No big deal. And then here's the view from my desk. It's messy, but it's mine. So I just did a photo shoot with Born Crooked earlier today. Went and ate for the first time at 4 o'clock. Had a fitting with Dani Jack. I'm going to make a Franken dress out of 2 for tomorrow's music video, and I still have shopping to do for the video tomorrow. All right, so it's 7:06, and I'm taking these guys to daycare because I'm gonna be on set all day long. If you see in the back, that is my makeup table we're gonna be using for today's shoot. And I just got word last night that I may be in the video. That happens a lot. Thank God there's a makeup artist because your girl couldn't be bothered to put on anything today. So I'm gonna take these guys to daycare and head to set, and I cannot wait to show you what we got set up. All right, so we're gonna take this dress, this $12 dress from China, and we're gonna cut it up and attach it to a $400 dress for today's video. It's an exact science, it's not at all. But we're here with Dani Jack on set of her video, and I'm gonna take you along with me, but this is what we're doing first and foremost. Right, we're good. This looks awful. This is gonna be fun.
Would you like the camera up and down, or do you like
It's
it side to
fine. Doesn't
side?
matter.
Okay.
I'm already here.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
What you did is unforgivable, baby. What can I say to make you see I'm on my knees and this pain is real? Do you feel anything? I wanted to learn. I know the years are away. I wanted to learn. Feel the pain consume your very soul.
All the handwriting can be totally different. It can be smaller, it can be a little bit bigger. Just kind of try to stay within the area that we pre-wrote it. I'm gonna